Let us study the electric field lines associated with certain charge configurations. Hereby we have shown a positive charge that is kept over here. The electric field lines move radially outward from this positive charge as shown. They are straight, and if we were to draw the electric field lines away from the charge, then we have to draw them shorter in length, and the further away we go, the electric field line reduce their length and they become sparse. That is because the value of the electric field is closer to the point charge. The electric field of a point charge we know is k q divided by r square. So from this expression we can clearly see that closer to the point charge electric field is going to have a greater magnitude, and further away from the point charge the electric field is going to have a smaller magnitude. So the electric field lines are going to be long near the charge, they are radially moving outward, and as we move away from the point charge their length is going to decrease, and naturally they are also going to sparse out basically. So they are going to be less dense as we move away. So see, density is decreasing, like because there are less electric field lines in this region, because as we move away from the point charge the magnitude of the electric field is decreasing. Let us look at a negative point charge. Electric field lines originate on the positive point charge and move outwards, but electric field lines terminate on the negative point charge. So basically the electric field lines are going to be as shown over here. And again, whatever logic we give, if we move away from the point charge, then in that case the length of the electric field line reduces and they become sparser. So this is how the electric field lines look with respect to a negative point charge. Let us look at the electric field lines associated with a dipole. So here we have got a positive point charge and a negative point charge, and here these are the electric field lines. Some of them are going to originate on the positive point charge and terminate on the negative point charge, like so, like has been drawn over here, and some of them will originate on the positive point charge and move outwards towards infinity, and some of them will come from infinity and terminate on the negative point charge. So these are the electric field lines. The circular ones shown over here are not electric field lines, those are equipotential surfaces and should be ignored for this particular purpose. So this is how they look, but they should be ignored for understanding the nature of electric field lines around positive and negative point charges. Let us look at the electric field lines with respect to two positive point charges. So here one positive point charge is given, here another positive point charge is given. So here we can see that the electric field lines are moving away from these positive point charges. And since electric field lines cannot intersect, naturally if only one charge was present, the electric field line would have been like this, they would have gone like this and they would have intersected over here. But since these two charges are present, the electric field lines, this moves like this and this moves like this. This electric field line is moving like this and this is moving like this, and they do not intersect. Whenever there is a chance of them intersecting, they move away from each other such that they don't end up intersecting. So this is for two equal positive point charges. Now let us say if we had two unequal positive point charges, let us say, so let's say here a charge of 3q was present and here a charge of q was present, then what we would rather see is that more number of electric field lines will originate at the 3q point charge. So the situation will be something like this. More number of electric field lines will originate at the 3q point charge and less number will originate at the plus q point charge. Less number of them will originate at the plus q point charge because the 3q point charge has a greater potency to create electric field lines. Of course, all the arrows are like this. So this is going to be the situation, and obviously no two electric field lines intersect because electric field cannot have two different values at the same point. including two different directions. It cannot have at the same point. So here this 3q point charge is present, and here this plus q point charge is present, and this is the configuration of the electric field lines if unequal charges are present.